way more people bought. No-brainer offer. Just a reminder, if you want the info in this video as a free checklist, you can get the link in the description below. I'm about to share with you something that took me so long to learn, and it is how to get clients for digital marketing. How to get people to pay you to do digital marketing for them. Stick around. How do you get clients for your digital marketing business? I've done millions of dollars now in marketing contracts, almost 8 figures in marketing contracts alone. And I'll share with you the one secret. If you can make someone $1, they'll pay you unlimited money. And the reason why that works is there are so many people in the digital marketing space that are hucksters. Basically, they can't make any money for their clients. So if you can frame your service and you can frame your product in a way that gets people to buy from you and you can generate $1 for them, that's it. I call it a no-brainer offer. And this is an offer that's so much of a no-brainer that they have to buy. Simple as that. For instance, for digital marketing, what I'll normally say is, I'm gonna sell you a marketing review, right? I'm gonna look at all of your systems, everything you've tried in the past, and I'll give you insights on how to improve. It's gonna be $8,500. And if you don't make at least $8,500 from the insights, I'm gonna refund you the entire amount. I'm gonna give you all the money back. That's what's called a no-brainer offer. Somebody is going to hire you to find insights for them. And it's super low risk for both of you, because if you don't find $8,500 worth of insights, guess what? Nobody's time's wasted except for yours. The business owner is in the same spot as they were before. But if it does work out and you make them the $8,500, congratulations, you're in business. You've got clients for your digital marketing consultancy. It really is that simple. And you can make the numbers smaller. You could say, hey, give me $100. If I don't make you at least 100, I'm gonna refund you 100. You could say, hey, give me $1. I like to do $1 instead of free because you wanna train your clients to pay you. But hey, give me $1. If I don't make you at least $1 back, I'll refund you. I actually talked in an earlier video about how that's actually a bad idea. If you charge too little for businesses, they won't trust you, the same way that if you charge too much, they won't trust you. But that's it. How to get clients for digital marketing consultancy. That's how to actually pitch them. How to get them is go to where they are. So one, choose a type of business that you want to do marketing for. For me, it was digital agencies at first. I was director of marketing at an agency. I understood the agency space and I wanted to grow agencies. I knew I could. So I picked them, then go to where those people are. For me, for agencies, those people were at events and they were online, checking their email. So our main growth channels were events, which eventually I didn't like going to events. I would rather sit and make cash from the couch, as they say. So I started selling via cold email and it worked. So that's number 2. So 1, choose the type of business you want to work with. 2, go where those people are. 3, pitch them that no-brainer offer we talked about. And 4, and this is where a lot of people get mixed up, is take their feedback and optimize from there. I'll give you an example. When I went out the first time to get digital marketing clients for our company, X27, where we generate leads for billion-dollar brands and the Fortune 500. When I went out to first get clients for us, my offer was $2,000 and I will handle hiring all of your marketing vendors and manage them. And that didn't work. The clients told me they weren't interested. And I could have given up then. I could have been like, oh, these guys can't even afford $2,000. But no, when I evolved my offer to a marketing review that cost $8,500 and then was tied to marketing services totaling $10,000 a month, more people bought, way more people bought, because it was a no-brainer offer. If you're running a cold email marketing campaign and you're getting under 80% as your open rate, grab this free document. This is 50 subject lines to test. I've sent over 2 million cold emails. We've generated over $100 million in leads. Click the link below. You can have all these subject lines. Figure this out for your company and you got it down. Subscribe to the email list and I'll give you everything that I know. I'll try to put it on to you so then you can succeed. That's down in the description below. I'm Alex Berman. Thanks for watching. If you like this type of content, subscribe for more videos like this and I'll see you around. Thanks for watching.